Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, so I'm gonna be teaching you of the O, W, and the O, E, and the O, A. Okay, so first we're just gonna. So I only have like this is O. That's not supposed to be long. I don't know why I put that there. Okay, we have a A and an O. Okay, now let's get to it. So they're not going to be in order, and that's okay. Jeez, it looks all backwards. Don't worry. That is... H-O-M-E. It looks backwards to you guys, but H-O-M-E, home. C-O-A-T, coat. Oh. R-O-A-D, road. B-O-A-T, boat. R-O-W, row. S-O-A-P, soap. B-O-N-E, bone. And last, B-O-W-L, bowl. Now we're going to do it all together. These ones will be in a little bit of order. Okay, we're going to do it all together. Road, boat, coat, road, boat, code. No, coat. So, road, boat, coat, home, soap, row, bone, bull. Okay, so that is going to be it for today. And I hope you enjoyed it. I may have not helped you much, but if you have any cards like this, you can write this and copy my video. You can see me again and my YouTube video and my YouTube name, Emily Stitch 2017. Bye.